In communication, listening is very important. An individual who has joined some audience in order to listen some person or his talk or her talk, then the individual who is in the audience must concentrate himself or herself towards the talk of that individual. He has or she has gone there to listen, then he should be listening. He should be all ears to that person. Now, when you are listening some person attentively, that means you are making that person very special. You are giving importance to that person. You are telling him that you know better than me. I am here to listen to you. I am here to improve. Now, this behavior of yours must also be reflected towards your own behavior. It should not be that while you are attending that audience, you are mentally busy somewhere, or you are checking up your mobile phone, you are seeing your emails, your messages, WhatsApp, and so many other things, or exchanging messages with someone else. Then what you are doing, you are actually not listening the person. The very purpose of your coming has failed. So don't do it. Don't do it. You should practice listening properly. You, by listening, can add some information to you. You may get answer to some of your problems, or it may be helpful, at least in refreshing some of your knowledge, or which you are forgetting now. It may help you to refresh that. So, therefore, what I would like to convey that you should listen properly, attentively, so that you know what that individual is saying. I have seen in my teaching that at a time while you are delivering a lecture, the student in between would try to ask the question. And what I'll do, I'll give him or her some cue that please wait, let me complete my talk first, and then I'll come back to you. So after finishing my point, when I go back to the student and ask him to please ask the question, then she would say that yes, I don't have any question. What I wanted to ask, you have already answered. So it means while you listen some person attentively, your questions are also answered. So please, next time when you attend some gathering, be attentive to the speaker so that you learn something more, or you may have answers to some of your unanswered questions.